Meanwhile, Japan's NTT Docomo has taken a 74% stake in India's leading data center service provider that's called NetMagic. ET Now's Davina Monroe has been tracking those developments for us and brings us the story.
Nippon Telegraph and Telecom has taken a majority 74% stake in NetMagic, India's leading IT managed service provider. This is the first global deal of its type in the space and comes 15 years after entrepreneur Sharad Sanghi founded the company. A global acquisition when many believed NetMagic would go the IPO way.
By doing this alliance with NTT, we have now access to data centers in 28 different data centers and access to locations across the world, which we can now offer our services from. And so I think that's a lot more valuable to me than to just raise money through an IPO process and then try to build all of that from scratch. So I think this was a much faster time to execute the vision.
The company raised its first round of funding from eVentures in 2000. The stake was subsequently bought by Nexus Venture Partners, which made another investment in the company in 2008. It marks the fifth significant exit for Nexus in a period of 18 months, one which they saw great value in.
The main rationale for this was that this is a very synergistic relationship for both sides. Clearly this space is getting global, so the entity has a large network of global data centers. Sharad and team have done a fantastic job in building a pan-India presence. This is our fifth exit as a fund, and I think again we are very happy. We are happy with the exit. It's a great outcome for us.
Nikkei reports that the acquisition was made for approximately $128 million. And with this, the new combined entity plans to expand its foray in India and reach out across the Asia-Pacific. So with NetMagic's acquisition, rumor mill has it that global entities are looking at a lot more M&A activity with Indian data center providers. Looks like the Indian internet opportunity is ripe and nobody wants to miss out on all the action. Davina Monroe for Starting Up, ET Now.